Good morning, everyone. Today, our topic is The Rebel. This is a poem from your book Honeycomb. This poem is written by DJ Enright. The Rebel. The Rebel is a lightly expressed poem written in a casual style free of any bitterness or criticism. The poet shows the character of rebel, one who does not conform to the norms of society and has a contradictory attitude based on self assertion. It means one who does the opposite of what others do. Means the rebel is a person who always does the opposite of what others do. Are you looking in this picture something different in these apples? Yes, one apple is different from others. So this is like a rebel. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? So students, as you are looking in this picture, the rebel is like the red apple. Now the glossary of this poem. Rebel, one who revolts against accepted rules. Fantastic, showy and colorful. Soberly means simply, plainly. Preference means choice, liking. Puts in a good word. It means to praise something, to appreciate something. Remarks means comments. Regrets means feels sorry for something. Yes, please. Yes, please here means accepts gratefully. When we accept something happily, so we say yes, please. No, thank you means refuses politely. It means when we want to refuse something and we have to be polite. So then we say no, thank you. Do you know anyone who always disagree with you or your friends or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Think of a word to describe such a person. Yes, there is a word for such type of person. This is the rebel. Now we are starting to read the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. It means when everybody has short hair, everybody wants short hair, then the rebel wants his hair grow long. When everybody has short hair, the rebel then has long hair. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. Means he does opposite of this. When everybody talks during the lesson, during the period, during the class, when all students talk during the class, then the rebel doesn't say a word. Means he or she remains silent. And when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. He does opposite. When nobody talks during the class, then he creates disturbance. Then he creates noise. When everybody wears a uniform, when all wears a uniform, then the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Fantastic means showy and colorful clothes. And when everybody wears fantastic clothes, when all wears colorful clothes, then the rebel dresses soberly. Soberly means simple, sober dress. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. It means when he or she is in group of dog lovers, then he expresses a preference for cat. He expresses a liking for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. It means when in the group of cat lovers, the rebel praises for dog. When everybody is praising the sun, praising the sun means here to be comfortable in sunlight. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. Then he wants the rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody is greeting means to welcome something. When everybody is greeting the sun, everybody welcome the sun, the rebel feels sorry for the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting means gathering of people. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. This line is very simple to understand. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, then the rebel goes to the meeting. It means he does the opposite. When everybody says yes please, it means when all accept something gratefully, the rebel refuses it politely. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. Yes please means to accept something gratefully. No thank you means to refuse it politely. So when all accept something gratefully, the rebel refuses it politely. And when everyone refuses something, the rebel accepts it with pleasure. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. It is very good that we have rebels because rebels do things differently. They have a different opinion. It is fortunate that we have such rebels amongst us, though being one may not be desirable since it makes you a misfit in society. You may not find it very good to be one because no one will like you then if you are a rebel. It keeps you apart from the people. Now the questions. Our first question is, if someone does not wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? So very simple. The teacher will ask the student about the reason for not being in uniform and then takes actions according to the reply. Our second question is, when everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? This is very simple. As we have read in the poem, the rebel, when everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants clouds and rain the most. Third question is, if the rebel has a dog or pet, what is everyone else likely to have? This is also a simple question. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, this is very clear, then everyone else is likely to have a cat. Question number 4. Why is it good to have rebels? It is good to have rebels because very few people have the courage to oppose the decision of the majority. They think differently and fearlessly, and they stand with their choices. Next and last question is, why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? It is not good to be a rebel because we are living in a society, So it is not good to be a rebel oneself because no one will like you then. It keeps you apart from the people.